This is the San Diego Comic-Con 2018 Voltron exclusive Super MiniPLA from Bandai. Here's what the front of the box looks like, and here's what the side of the box looks like. The top of the box, the other side. This is the exclusive here, this special part. Hi, buddy. Here's the bottom of the box. Let's take a look inside and see what it looks like. Two sides only. Alright, cool. Lots of parts. Oh. Instructions. A separate piece looks like for transformation only. Here's the exclusive blazing sword piece. Sure. Stickers. We built it? Sure. Regular blazing sword. See the lion heads? They're already painted. Pretty cool. Some Voltron weapons in line mode. More stickers. I wonder what the stickers are for. They are the caps for the lion legs in Voltron mode. Voltron's feet. I wonder if they're packed by lion. There's Voltron's chest piece. Lots of parts. More stickers. Number 2, red line. I wonder how they pack it. Blue line and green line together. There you see the eyes. Oh, there's the stickers for blue line. Pretty cool. Take a look at the instructions. Transformation mode. And the combiner weapon. Mega Blaster. Do they have instructions for each line? Looks like they have instructions for each line. Yellow line. It doesn't look like it's very many parts for each line. Who's this? Blue line's instructions. Pretty much the same as yellow lines, I think. Yeah, the only difference is this part right here. And green line's instructions. red lines, instructions.
Yeah.
Completed. And that too. Black lines, instructions. Pretty cool. I wonder how it's going to compare to Jollibee Voltron. Let's get it together.
Which one are we starting on?
1, 2. Oh. Oh, it looks like you only get one hilt.
One what?
You only get one handle for the blazing sword, and then you could switch in between the glowing blade and the blazing sword.
Cool.
I was hoping for two. I was hoping for 2 parts. You have to switch it out. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.
I thought we were going to build it.
Yeah, we're going to build it, but maybe not on camera.